Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Kids Kitchen Playset is probably one of the most exciting toys for young girls, sparking their imagination and creativity in the kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of miniature culinary adventures, exploring the features, designs, and play value of some fantastic kitchen playsets. Get ready to discover which sets offer the most realistic experience, durable construction, and engaging accessories to keep your little chefs entertained for hours. Let's find the perfect playset to inspire your child's love for cooking. Number 5. Step 2 Fun with Friends Kids Kitchen Playset. This Step 2 kitchen set is packed with lights and sounds to make playtime extra exciting. It comes with 25 accessories, providing everything your child needs for a fun cooking experience. The set includes a pretend sink, stovetop, refrigerator, coffee station, and oven. It encourages role play and helps children develop important social skills while they play. Designed to fit perfectly in small spaces, this kitchen set is lightweight and easy to move. It's the ideal size for indoor or outdoor fun, weighing only 24.25 pounds. With designated spots for every accessory, it helps kids learn to clean up and stay organized. They can easily manage their play area and feel proud of their tidy kitchen. Made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, this kitchen set is built for years of imaginative play. It's designed to withstand everyday use and can be quickly wiped down to keep it fresh. What we like? This kitchen playset features interactive lights and sounds, making playtime extra engaging. It's also compact, fitting perfectly into smaller spaces. If you're looking for a playset that offers a realistic experience and is easy to clean, this one is a great choice. It's perfect for little chefs who love to cook and have fun. What people say? Well made with heavy plastic and durable. My granddaughter loves it and plays with it every time she comes. Lots of fun. Great sound features on the stove. The pot makes a bubble sound and the pan makes a frying sound. The salt and pepper shakers are fun for younger ones due to little clicking noise when turned back and forth. The two knobs make a clicking noise as well. It comes with super cute, very durable cookware dinnerware. Number 4. Best Choice Products Kids Wooden Play Kitchen, Pink. This wooden kitchen set is designed to look just like a real kitchen, perfect for your little ones. It includes a chalkboard surface where they can write down notes. They will have so much fun playing with it. The set comes with 11 accessories, including utensils, pots, and a cordless phone. There is also an ice maker that dispenses ice cubes. All the accessories can be stored in the overhead shelf, oven, fridge, freezer, microwave, or dishwasher. Your child can enjoy a realistic kitchen experience with features like a towel rack and ice machine. The oven knobs even make a clicking sound. It's like they are baking and cooking in a real designer kitchen. This toy kitchen is easy to assemble, but it does take some time. The set comes with an instruction manual. It should take about 90 minutes to set up this amazing pretend kitchen. This kitchen set is made with safe and durable materials. It meets U.S. federal safety standards for ASTM and CPSA. You can rest easy knowing that your children are playing with a safe and fun toy. What we like? This wooden kitchen set boasts a realistic design with a chalkboard surface for jotting down notes. It comes with numerous accessories, including an ice maker and a cordless phone. If you like a kitchen set that encourages creativity and role-playing, this is the one for you. It's ideal for kids who love to mimic real-life kitchen activities. What people say? The kitchen set is very cute and has a lot of accessories. It has a lot of fun features like the ice maker and the stove top lights up. The kids love it and play with it all the time. Number 3. Kids Cooking Set, Safe Knives and Cutting Board. This amazing set includes everything your child needs for real cooking fun. It comes with wooden knives, safe plastic knives, cutting boards, and more. It's a complete kitchen starter kit for young chefs. The knives are made from wood and food-grade polypropylene, ensuring they're non-toxic and safe. The materials are BPA-free and designed with safety in mind. You can rest assured knowing it's safe for your kids. The wooden knives feature cute patterns to capture your child's attention. The handles are designed for a comfortable and secure grip. They are perfect for cutting various fruits and vegetables. This set encourages creativity and hands-on learning in the kitchen. Kids can cook alongside you, experimenting with ingredients and creating their own dishes. It's a great way to build their confidence. This kitchen set provides opportunities for parents and children to bond. It allows children to imitate adult behaviors and learn valuable life skills. It's a fun way to strengthen your relationship. What we like. This set includes a variety of safe and non-toxic kitchen tools, perfect for little hands. It encourages hands-on cooking and creativity. If you have a budding chef who loves to help in the kitchen, this set allows them to safely participate in real cooking activities. It's a fantastic way to bond and teach valuable skills. What people say. The kitchen set is very cute and has a lot of accessories. It has a lot of fun features like the ice maker, and the stove top lights up and makes noise. The size is perfect for my 3-year-old. Number 2. Little Tikes Homegrown Kitchen. This complete kitchen set from Little Tikes comes with everything your child needs. It includes 20 accessories and recipe cards for hours of imaginative play. It's perfect for young chefs. The homegrown kitchen features realistic cooking sounds. Kids can enjoy the sounds of boiling water while they play. It makes the play experience more engaging. This kitchen has plenty of built-in storage. There are molded-in shelves and a dish rack to keep everything organized. It makes cleanup easy after playtime. The kitchen's unique design fits perfectly into corners. It's also easy to assemble, so you can set it up quickly. It's a great addition to any play area. This product is made in the USA with US and imported components. It's a quality toy designed for durability and fun. Your kids will love it. What we like. This kitchen features real cooking and water boiling sounds, adding to the immersive experience. It includes a variety of accessories and built-in storage. If you like a playset that offers realistic sounds and plenty of storage, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy a more interactive and organized play experience. What people say. The kitchen is very cute and has a lot of accessories. The size is perfect for my 2-year-old. It has a lot of fun features like the ice maker, and the stove makes noise. Number 1. Kids Kitchen Playset, 53 PCS Cooking Toy, Pink. This kitchen set brings the cooking experience to life. When the stove is turned on, it produces realistic lights and sounds, making the play even more immersive for your child. The set includes a play sink with running water. By pressing the switch, water flows, allowing kids to wash their play food before cooking and clean up afterwards. This children's kitchen set comes with a variety of toys, including a functional sink, stove, oven, cooker, coffee machine, play food, and other accessories. Adding the stickers makes the whole set more realistic. It's designed to let children enjoy role-playing games and develop an interest in cooking. Parents can join in as guests, creating a fun family game, while also improving the child's creativity and practical skills. This isn't just a solo game, it's designed for multiple players. When parents and children play together, there's no chance of boredom. It's a great gift for both boys and girls, ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday. It's a thoughtful present that children will love. What we like. This kitchen playset offers a realistic cooking experience with lights and sounds. It includes a functional play sink with running water. If you are looking for a playset that provides a comprehensive and interactive cooking experience, this is the one. It's great for kids who love to play together and enjoy a variety of kitchen activities. What people say. The kitchen set is very cute and has a lot of accessories. The size is perfect for my 3-year-old. It has a lot of fun features like the ice maker, and the stove makes a sizzling sound. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.